I was scrolling through Instagram the other day when I came across this edit and I was like, no way! This edit got a fucking million views! Why is it always dumb stuff that goes viral? But, not gonna lie, I liked it too. So hurry up dude! Let's learn it before the trend dies out and remake it on Capcut. To be honest, making this edit on Capcut is almost impossible. Nothing can stop us. So let's get to it. Alright guys. Make sure to find best clips for your edits. It's so important, and make sure to specify every beat. And before we start, the mistake that many people make is that they don't choose the right format. So I don't know, ratio or format. So you go to ratio and choose 3:4 because this is best size you can do. Alright, now make keyframes like this, so that the subject doesn't go out of the frame like this. It's very important. Alright, so good. Wait. Okay. Now go to last of this clip, then click on freeze like this. You have a freeze clip like this if you click on it, and copy it one time like me. Then click on overlay, go to right, go to left like this, and okay, now you have something like this. Then go to overlay, cutout, remove background, then remove the background like this. Then put these two overlays that I put in my Telegram channel. You can use it so easily. Okay, so put the pillow under the subject's head like this. Alright. What the f that? It's so funny. Okay. This is so good, I think. Alright. Now make these clips bigger like me. Alright, now go to this clip and make it freeze in the first, then click on overlay and put it under the that overlays, then do what I do like this, make it smaller like this, then click on cutout and remove background again, then make two keyframes like this, one here, then one right here, and pull down the first keyframe like me. Alright, now go to graph and linear and copy my graph like this. It's so good. Okay. This is good for Capcut, guys. So now go to first clip and cut it in such a way that if you copy it one time, it will reach the beats like this, and copy it one time like this. Then go to second clip and go to right and click on reverse to make it reverse like alright, now do it for every next clips like this. Let me show you how. It's so easy, guys. If you just try to do it, you can do it, I'm sure. It's so easy. Like this, then copy it one time like this, then go to second clip, and reverse it. Alright, so good. Alright, now we are done at this place. We are so close to the end. Go to overlay and add overlay. Now add a white screen. If you don't have, don't worry, just you can download it from my Telegram channel. Put it under the first clip like this and make it so smaller like this. Then go to that overlay. Wait. Ooh. Alright, now go to this white screen. Then go to animations, out, and click on zoom out like this. Then you have something like this. Alright, it's so good. Now copy it for every next part like me. Wait, I will show you. Like this. Alright guys, so wait, I will show you the quick preview. Go to effects like me and search blur and add this blur. Then go to object and all videos. Now make it smaller. Then make 2 keyframes, one in last, one in last, like this. Wait, to 30 in the first, make a keyframe, and 30 and the last 0. Alright, now copy this effect for next clips like this. Alright, so good. Alright, now we are so close to the end. Finally we finish. I can't tell you that we are finished, but one thing is miss in our videos, and that's you have to export your video like this. Then copy this part. I mean, I don't know how to say to you. I don't know how to tell you. Just if you watch this, watch watch what I am doing. You just should to copy my steps, like follow my steps like this, and you have something like this. Wait, ding here. Okay. Split, cut it, and you have something like this. We're done. Okay, now export your video. We shouldn't expect it to be exactly like After Effects because it's Capcut, you know. If you like this tutorial and want to know many things about Capcut, check this out.